If you have received a job offer from a Canadian company, the next step is to apply for a work permit. Here's how you can ensure your work permit application is complete. Chapter 1. What you need. To be eligible for a Canadian work permit, you will need the following documentation: valid passport, certified copies, translations, medical examinations, a copy of your offer of employment from your prospective Canadian employer, proof that you are qualified for the prospective job, your biometrics, a copy of your employer's labor market impact assessment. Chapter 2. Required forms. For your application to be complete, you must also fill out the following forms: application for work permit made outside of Canada, authority to release personal information to a designated individual, document checklist, family information, Schedule 1 application for temporary resident visa, statutory declaration of common law union, use of representative. Chapter 3. Pay fees. There are 3 different work permit application fees: the application processing fee, the open work permit holder fee, the biometric fee. Chapter 4. Things to remember. Once you have completed all the major stages of your application, please go over the following things to ensure you have remembered all of the application components. Your application must be complete. Your application must be accurate. You must complete every section of your forms. If something does not apply to you, simply write "not applicable." To learn more about how to immigrate to Canada, subscribe and visit CanadianVisa.org. Start your journey today.